This fish with eyes perched on top of its head is called the mudskipper. It's a fish that can leave the water and breathe air, living a lifestyle completely different from most fish. They often skip across the water. Climb trees for exercise. Practice their salute. And love to sunbathe and mudbathe. So why is the mudskipper so hardworking and ambitious? The reason is to make its flesh more delicious. It's said that this fish makes a particularly good soup. Oh wait. This isn't a cooking channel. Why is the mudskipper so hardworking and ambitious? The real reason is to find a mate. During courtship, the mudskipper has to perform an impressive dance to attract a partner. So, if they don't practice their jumps regularly, they might fail when they meet the fish of their dreams. Is that why I'm single? Mudskippers love to spit everywhere. They do it dozens, even hundreds of times a day. Actually, this is how they build their wedding homes. When they find a mate, they can invite her into the house they've carved out with their mouths to have babies. Can you imagine? A house full of spit? So, can you keep a mudskipper as a pet? Absolutely. Lots of people do. Let's see how many of you are interested. And we'll do a follow-up tutorial later.